Hi, I'm George with Argo Electrical Services, and I'm here today to introduce yourself to me and some of the services that we offer. So, you see popping up there switches and receptacles. We can repair any devices in your home, your commercial properties. We also offer full redevices. Maybe you got an older home that was built in the 60s or 70s. We got all kinds of solutions for that. We can handle ceiling fans, anything from a small kitchen ceiling fan to keep mom cool during the summertime when she's cooking those wonderful Sunday meals, right on up to big ass fans that go into medium and large size commercial settings. We got you. Any kinds of panels. Maybe you need a sub panel. Maybe you're wanting to add a spa or a sauna on your property and your breaker box is full. Call me. We can do a load calculation. We can figure it out for you, do it safely, and we'll give you a warranty on our work. Maybe you got a problem with a breaker. The breaker continues to trip. Maybe it'll stay on for a few minutes and then trip. We got you. We can figure it out for you. We're experts in this type of work. Also, we do complete remodels. We can do everything from rewire an entire home. About 10 years ago, we did a house out in North Hall that was built in the 1890s. We completely rewired the house, central heating and air, the new meter base, new interior panel with arc fault, ground fault, breakers, new water heater, everything. Um, we are on Lake Lanier. We do dock inspections. We can wire your dock. We can troubleshoot issues on your dock. Maybe you've just got flickering lights, and by golly, you just can't figure out what it is. You changed all the light bulbs. Maybe you even changed the switch. Call George. He can figure it out for you. We got much, much more. And if you're interested in any of those services, or maybe you've got another service like a whole house surge protector that you might be interested in, or maybe you just have very high energy costs. Call George today at 770-596-1437, or you can go online at argoelectrical.com. So, all right, here you go. If you call me today and you want to schedule your appointment, here's what you're going to get. First and foremost, we're going to give you upfront pricing with no surprises. Second, we're going to give you warranties on your purchases. We have been in business in North Georgia since 2008, and you can find out all the services that we offer at argoelectrical.com. Give me a call now, 770-596-1437. We'll do our best to get you on the schedule today. We provide great solutions for your needs now. Questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave it down in the comments section below this video. You can always email me at info@argoelectrical.com. Like I said before, we're serving the Gainesville, Cumming, Dawsonville area and other surrounding areas in North Georgia. My phone number is 770-596-1437. Thanks.